So if you have more than one monitors in your remote computer, then you can actually go ahead and access them out as you like as well. So for that, if I were to actually go around over here onto my laptop, so I'm just going to go ahead and connect it out right here onto my remote computer, then you can see that this is what I have. I do have access to their main monitor. But let's say I want to go ahead and have access to their second monitor. Then if they have multiple monitors, then you will see 1, 2 right here. So if you have multiple monitors, that is more than 2 monitors, then you'll be able to see more monitors right here. You can simply go ahead and click, and you simply have access to their other monitor just like this right here. So this is their second monitor, as you can see, like this. If you were to go around over here, this is the first monitor and this is the second monitor right here. And that is simply how you can go ahead and work around with their multiple monitors and access them all using AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.